Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DataStage migration. Think of server jobs as old bicycles, reliable but slow. Parallel jobs, on the other hand, are like racing bikes, sleek, fast, and built for efficiency. By migrating, we unlock better performance, reduce runtime, and maximize resources. Let's explore how to shift gears from server to parallel processing. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Migration in DataStage isn't just moving data, it's an upgrade. Imagine switching from a manual car to an automatic, smoother, faster, and hassle-free. Parallel jobs distribute workload better, reduce bottlenecks, and keep our data flowing efficiently. Get ready to accelerate your ETL processes like never before. Picture this: server jobs are like a single cashier at a busy store, one transaction at a time. Parallel jobs, however, are like multiple cashiers working simultaneously, cutting the wait time drastically. By leveraging parallel processing, we make workflows faster, more efficient, and ready for high-volume data crunching. Parallel processing is the superhero of DataStage. It swoops in, speeds things up, and saves the day. Whether dealing with enormous data loads or optimizing performance, it ensures better scalability and smarter resource allocation. Let's unpack how this powerhouse makes everything smoother. Alright, let's start with the basics: migrating connections and stages. First, we need to identify what we're working with. Think of it like moving houses. You wouldn't want to forget the furniture. Then we map old stages to their new equivalents, like upgrading to a bigger kitchen. And compatibility checks are a must, otherwise things might break. And lastly, validating data integrity ensures nothing gets lost in transit. A simple right. Updating parameter sets might sound technical, but imagine it's like customizing your phone settings after a software update. First, we review what's already there, just like checking your old settings. Then we adjust configurations to fit the new environment. Updating projdef values is like changing your Wi-Fi password after switching providers. And of course, testing is crucial. Nobody wants surprise glitches. Working with the DSJob command line can feel like tweaking an engine under the hood of a car. First, we understand how the current script works. Think of it as reading the user manual. Then we modify commands to fit the new system, like upgrading your ride. Optimization makes it run smoother and faster. And of course, testing ensures we don't end up stranded on the road. Migrating sequenced jobs is like rearranging your morning routine after moving to a new city. First, we analyze dependencies, like checking which tasks rely on others. Then adapting workflows ensures smooth transitions. Keeping job execution order intact is crucial. It's like making sure you still grab coffee before heading out. And finally, verifying logs ensures everything stays on track. A smooth sailing ahead. Rewriting routine code might sound daunting, but think of it as decluttering your workspace. First, we identify reusable code, like sorting through old files. Then, converting routines into subroutines makes them more modular and efficient. Optimization gives us that extra speed boost. And testing, well, it's like double-checking that your shortcuts actually work. Post-migration optimization is like tuning up your car after a long journey. First, we identify bottlenecks, like spotting slow traffic. Then caching and indexing make things faster, just like upgrading to high-speed lanes. Fine-tuning resource allocation ensures efficiency, kind of like adjusting fuel consumption. And monitoring ensures your system stays in top gear. Time to wrap things up. We've covered the essentials of migration, from connections to optimization. Common pitfalls: rushing through testing and ignoring performance tweaks. Best practices: document everything, test thoroughly, and adapt strategies. And remember, learning never stops, so keep refining and improving. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.